So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can log into a Facebook account without the need of email or phone number. So we will go through only 2 steps, and the very first step is if I open up any profile which I want to log in without email or phone number, and for example this is the profile that I want to log in. So what you have to do is, for completing step number 1, you have to tap on these 3 dots available next to the message button and tap on the profile link option available in the end. And when this profile link has been copied, you have to go to your browser. It can be Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use. And after that, go to Google and paste that URL that you have just copied. And after pasting the URL, when this profile gets opened in the browser, you have to again tap in the URL section, and here after facebook.com section, you have to copy this string of numbers. There can be anything else written at the place of these numbers. You have to simply copy whatever it is written between these 2 slashes. And after copying it, open a new tab and go to facebook.com. You can also use your Facebook application for this process. And you have to paste here the string that you have just copied. Just remove this slash and next enter your password of the account, and just after entering the password, press the login button. And here, after completing some security sections, your account will be logged in without the need of email address or phone number. Here you can see that we have just logged into an account only using their username, and that's how you can also log into a Facebook account without the need of phone number or email address. Thank you so much.